Hey guys, today we're going to talk about Quillbot, a powerful AI-based paraphrasing tool that can help you rewrite your content with ease. So whether you're a student, blogger, or a content creator, Quillbot can help you create unique content that is plagiarism free. So let's dive into how to use Quillbot for your writing needs. First, you need to access to Quillbot's website at quillbot.com. Here you can sign up for a free account or log in if you already have an account, like I do. Once you're logged in, on the left, you can see that there are different features available. So we can select either of these features. So it could be paraphraser, grammar checker, plagiarism checker, co-writer, summarizer, etc. But today we're going to try the paraphrasing feature. So as you can see, you can select from different writing modes like standard, fluency, creative, shorten or expand. And each of these modes would serve a different purpose. So choose the one that fits your needs the best. So what we can do here is we can either copy and paste our content into the editor, or we can write our own content directly into the editor, or you can also upload a file. That file could be in any format. So what we'll do now is just copy the information that we have and paste it here. So once I've pasted, you can see I click on paraphrase and this would give us a new paragraph. And you can see that the information has actually changed. The blue words that you see are the longest unchanged words, and the orange ones are the ones which are changed. So here, instead of explored, it has changed it to discovered. It has changed world to surrounding. So you can see that it has changed the words. But now, if you don't like this word, the specific word, what you can do is you can just click on that word and find a synonym that it suggests and change it to it. So for example, here what I would do is Coco discovered his surroundings. So instead of that, I can select discovered what was around him or the environment. We can also change the entire sentence. So just click on this sentence or a word, click on rephrase, you'll see a few suggestions for that complete sentence. You can do that either in standard or fluency. And if you have the premium version, you can select from the others as well. You can click on rephrase to get a newer one in case you do not enjoy the first paraphrased version. So you can see you can customize the output by selecting different settings like the tone of the content, the length of the output, or the degree of paraphrasing. You can also choose to include or exclude certain words or phrases from the output. So here you can choose what amount of changes do you require. So is it fewer changes or more changes? So once you're happy with the output, you can save it to your computer, copy it to your clipboard, or share it directly from Quillbot. You can also save your content to your Quillbot account to access it later. So that's how you can use Quillbot to paraphrase your content with ease. So with Quillbot, you can save time and effort while creating unique and plagiarism-free content. So give it a try and let us know how it worked for you. To get notified about more such videos, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.